More than anything, it's helping people be more efficient with their business. So that's really where I hear it more often than not, that we have more data than we know what to do with, that data science can help cut down those cycles of being able to analyze data faster and more efficiently. As organizations get more and more mature, analytics is going to become deeper rooted to be successful. So one, it becomes comparative advantage, but then also it helps organizations communicate more effectively. Strategy is one of the most important parts, because if you don't have the organizational agreement on that, you don't know what to do. So many times organizations dive right into the deepest tactical pieces without really addressing the underlying strategy. And without that, these projects typically fall apart. Ultimately, it's going to create a better relationship with customers, being able to track data, analyze data and behaviors. But on top of that, it's going to allow clients and organizations to be able to implement that, to be able to cater a much more intimate relationship with their customers.